naye ab'emtyana mutereeza akalulu bannange. Buno obusajja obuli eyo tubulina kye bukola butabula. Mugenda muleete obusajjasajja buli eyo. Arui Nebi Road, 33 kilometers. This is in West Nile. Pakwach and Nebi Town Roads. Oruyo Pakwach Road, 62 kilometers. Matugasem toka Peka, 41 kilometers. Wali akasajja eyo naye nakasiiki bannange. Akasajja kali abantu bage mutereeze ebigambo ebyo. Obusajja bugende bukola ebirala. Matuga Semutoka Peka, Tororo Mbare Soroti. This is a long one. Soroti Dokoro Lira Kamdin Road, 189. These are ongoing already. Karuma Oruyo, 43. Masaka Chotera Mutukula Road, 89. Nyandovira Maria Road, 11 kilometers. Access Road, 7 kilometer rehabilitation of 166 million equivalent of national road that have reached their service life. What they call service life is Zikadiye. The strategic bridges to be prioritized. There's a road in PG Elimonde Jitu Kasanje akatawuna akalala bakita batya Kasanje Kisubi waliwo akatawuna ebyo munda akalala Nakawuka eyo sikirabye wano tulina okugiteekako nayo. Naye abantu batereeza obululu bannange kubanga the strategic bridges, so I will have to add that road. I thought we had started on it. The strategic bridges